This entire factory runs on data.
Every second, thousands of beans enter the system.
SCADA monitors every move. Structure breaks in seconds. Oil begins its journey. Purification is tightly controlled. From bean to bottle, automated.
This is how soybean oil is made.
The process begins with raw soybeans.
Flow rates are digitally controlled.
SCADA tracks every kilogram.
Impurities are removed immediately.
Metal contamination is eliminated.
Airflow cleans what screens cannot. Only clean material moves forward. Vertical transport stays automated. Storage levels are constantly monitored.
Preparation for oil extraction begins.
Structure is broken deliberately. Crack size is digitally controlled. Hulls are separated by airflow. Byproducts are collected efficiently. Kernels move to the next stage. Surface area is increased.
Thickness controls oil yield.
Uniformity ensures efficiency. Heat prepares oil for release.
Extraction is next.
Oil release begins under controlled conditions.
Solvent dissolves the oil efficiently.
Flow is continuously monitored.
Crude oil moves toward purification.
Solvent is recovered and reused.
Safety and efficiency are paramount. Every degree is digitally monitored. Flow is seamless and controlled. Solvent is removed safely.
Purified crude oil awaits refining.
crude oil is precisely delivered for refining. Degumming is fully monitored digitally. Impurities are removed at controlled temperature. Acidity is neutralized precisely.
Every drop is chemically balanced.
Color and impurities are absorbed. SCADA ensures perfect bleaching.
Filtration guarantees clarity. Filtration parameters are constantly monitored. Refined oil is stored and monitored. Unwanted flavors are removed precisely.
Steam purges volatile compounds.
Temperature and pressure are precisely monitored.
Deodorized oil moves forward.
Oil is cooled before bottling.
SCADA ensures perfect temperature.
Oil is ready for the final stages.
Every liter is monitored digitally.
Final filtration guarantees clarity. SCADA ensures smooth flow into bottling. Empty bottles are positioned for filling. Each bottle receives precise volume. SCADA maintains exact volume for each bottle. Caps are fed and aligned automatically. Secure closure guarantees product safety. Every cap tightened with precision.
Branding begins here.
Labels adhere uniformly.
Human verification complements automation.
Filled bottles are ready for packaging. Bottles are systematically packed. Quantity is verified by automation. Packaging integrity is maintained. SCADA oversees packing in real time. Pallets are prepared efficiently. Stability and safety are ensured. Every pallet is accounted for digitally. Finished goods are stored securely. Inventory is tracked in real time. Pallets move toward distribution. Pallets advance for shipment.
Precision ensures safe loading.
Every truck is guided carefully. SCADA monitors each shipment. Every pallet is secured precisely. Safety measures are strictly followed. Digital tracking follows every shipment. From factory to market, efficiency never stops. Every stage is monitored and controlled. From bean to bottle, control is constant. Final products await delivery. Every pallet is handled carefully. Logistics ensure timely delivery. Safety in every shipment is non-negotiable. Digital systems track every move. From factory to market, control is constant.
And this is how modern factories produce soybean oil from bean to bottle.
Distribution begins immediately.
Efficiency, safety, and precision define every step.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns and SCADA insights.